For leaders today, the core issue is simple. AI is moving way faster than your process can govern it. And this really gets to the heart of the problem. Speed without control isn't progress. It's just risk piling up. Why? Because we've plugged AI into processes built for people without ever redesigning the process itself. Go ahead, ask your teams this question. Their answer will likely reveal a huge, auditable gap in your operations. And look, buying another tool won't fix this. The problem is baked into your underlying workflow. So let's talk about the real risks. We've seen 3 critical failures happening over and over again. First, code reviews. They've basically become a rubber stamp exercise. On paper, a review happened. In reality, nope. Second is the test suite that just agrees with itself. All that crucial, independent validation is just gone. You have the same AI writing the code and the tests, so yeah, your metrics look great, but they're meaningless. And number 3 is a big one, maybe the most critical. It's when your sensitive data just walks out the door.